Hello, I'm Scott Ferre. I work for Budco, a distributor of MacNeil wash systems. I'm here today at the ICA show in 2018 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm here to talk about the College of Clean and the Tunnel Maintenance and Repair course. I have the honor of working as the instructor or one of the instructors at the College of Clean. And the Tunnel Maintenance and Repair course focuses on helping the customer more efficiently take care of their car wash equipment. Not only taking care of it, but making sure it's working at its maximum operational efficiency. We also work to help the customer identify ways that they can form more effective partnerships with their distributor or their service provider. And we also help them to know how to adjust things, know how to identify problems, how to troubleshoot. We talk about some basic maintenance and repair skills. All in all, it's a great and it's a great tool for anyone that wants to know more about how to make their operation more streamlined, more efficient, and more profitable.